Did you know that these creative miracles have happened in Bridge Ministries? HIV status change from positive to negative, hepatitis B, kidney stone disappearing, ovarian cyst healing, feet diagnosed with cancer and scheduled for amputation cancelled due to healing, chronic migraine relief, height transformation from short to tall. Let's watch this creative miracle too.
About 3 weeks ago, I fell and had a sprain. I was unable to move. I was in so much pain. But for the subsequent Sundays, I come to church limping.
The leg for me. Bring it.
Sunday, on the 8th of June, Daddy during service called me and prayed for me.
Check it. Kakra. Yeah, in Miami and Yebi, your mom has to say. Check it again. It's gone. Thank you.
And instantly the pain is gone.
These and many more you should expect on the 6th of July 2025 at Feast of Miracles with FD Yalley live at Bridge Ministries International at 4 p.m. sharp. Miracle no dey tire Jesus. Come and your life will be switched on.